Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is the instruction on the installation of polo and porpoise built-in air scrubbers produced by Inno Plus. PVC pipework. When building the pipework, a drawing is provided in the manual. Use a level for all wall mounts. Degrease before gluing. Remember to glue both sides of each joint. Pay attention to the direction of flow when it comes to components. Sprinkler lines. Pre-cut lengths with T-sections are provided. These are glued together. Remember to point the sprinklers downwards when assembling. Taps are provided at both ends. Pre-sprinkling. Polo air scrubbers have pre-sprinkling for dust suppression. Pre-sprinkling pressure is set at 0.4 bar. Use tap 1 to set the sprinkler pressure. Then remove the handle. Keep this in a safe place with the installation. Tap 2 is then used to isolate the sprinklers whenever required. The pre-sprinkling is mounted on clips on the edge of the table. Wash hose. A tap on the end of the manifold. When enabling the cleaning hose, remember to turn the hose on and then the sprinklers off. This will prevent a dry run situation. When rinsing the packaging, remember this is about high volume and low pressure. When turning the hose off, remember to turn the sprinklers on first and then the hose off. This will again prevent dry running situations. For further support, please contact us.